So you're here because you want to know how to get affordable masks, where to find the masks, and also how to make them look good. So I have all of that for you as your virtual stylist, madamedelaj.
And my name is Idman, and we love madamedelaj.
Over 40,000 people have been affected by this coronavirus in China, and due to its massive spread like all around the world, our president has basically recommended that we wear masks. CDC actually is in agreement with it, and they're telling us to wear masks, rather if it's medical or non-medical. They recommend that we wear masks to protect ourselves. Thousands of people are like going crazy trying to find masks to protect themselves now due to this epidemic. My thing is, if I'm gonna wear a mask, I want to look cute with it. This is so, gosh, people gonna think I'm sick and I don't even got the coronavirus.
I'm coming to give you germs.
Like this thing right here is like what people wear in a hospital. So I'm not in a hospital and I want to look cute. I'm gonna show you different fashionable ways to wear the mask that I thought was super cute, and I think you guys would like it too. All the different trends and the different things that I've seen online, I just thought great ideas that people are having to really express their fashionable traits while protecting themselves and being healthy with wearing these masks. Like, some people aren't gonna wear a mask, I understand. But for those of you who are, there are ways to stay cute with the mask on. So I saw a couple of things on the runway that I'm gonna show you guys today that I think you guys will love. Celebrities are wearing it, and it's actually becoming a trend. So basically the different kind of masks are the medical, the air pollution, and our regular cloth masks that people are just wearing, and also people are DIYing them as well. And I just love like the different characteristics, like the different labels that people are wearing on their masks. I saw one that said faith. I saw one that said basically cough on me and I'm gonna pop you. I thought that was super hilarious. I know some people might think that's offensive because not everyone is coughing just because they have the coronavirus, but however, it is super cute. You could like really style up your eye makeup and just like really rock it and make it look super nice if you want. On the runway, I saw a few things. I also saw some on the Fashion Week runway. This all white one, she had like this coat. It's so crazy how the masks actually look really cute with hats. I've seen the masks with like the different dog faces. I've even seen some rappers who were previously wearing the mask already, you know, when they dance and different stuff like that. And I just love it, like with the cute little dog faces or like the bunnies, whatever the character they're trying to portray. It just looks really cute. I happen to like it in black or white or just a plain color, whatever is your trend or whatever the way you would like to rock it, I think will be just fine as well too. There's just so many different ways to really style it up. So I just know that it's really possible to get the look that you're going for, even if you're wearing a mask. Fashion Networks, you can visit their website. They had a really cute like plaited green one that I saw on the runway as well. I thought she looked great. Although she was wearing a mask, she looked really trendy and it was really cute. So you can look cute even while wearing a mask, staying healthy and protecting yourself with this mask on. And I happen to really actually like the diamond rhinestone mask. I think that is a cute mask if you just going to a late night walk, or you just, you know, want to take a couple of videos at a later time of the day, but you want to look nice with like glittery makeup, whatever the case is. I think the rhinestone dust mask is really cute, so you guys could probably check that out. This one, oh my goodness, I was like, who's gonna wear this mask? It's so big. Like, I don't want no mask on my face that's gonna be bigger than my face or bigger than my head. My head is already big. I can't put nothing on my face that's gonna make me fall down. This might work for someone with a littler head. This head, do you see this head? Look at this. Let me pull this back. Do you guys see the size of this head? Like, I can't carry no more weight. Now, some anti-pollution masks are like literally $59. For me, myself, I try to stay away from that. I do not mind washing my hands and washing my mask. I'm okay with that. That's the first thing I do when I walk through the house and go clean the doorknobs and everything else in the grocery bag. I spray it with Lysol. But that's just me, you know what I'm saying? That's what I have to do to protect myself. We all have our different methods. Some of us is like, oh, coronavirus, I'm not studying the coronavirus. Okay, all right. But this is what I do. A really affordable one was the one from AliExpress, like the leopard print one. I thought that was so cute. It was only $4.51. I know a lot of these masks are probably not going to be in stock anymore. So I'm just giving you guys different options, different websites that you can go to find these masks. They have the urban breathing mask from the 21st century, which I think is really, really cute as well. You guys can check that out. Remember, all these things are going to be listed where you can find these masks. I'm just here to show you guys what it will look like on you practically. Under the KO clothing website, you can find them, and they have so many different cool, very unique type of looking masks that you can wear. I also like the Ninja Chain face mask. I know they're like $45, but they just give you like this super cool, like neo gothic look. I think it's just really cool if you really want to rock that look as well. And the virus proof cotton mask, which I thought is really cool because it's cotton, but it's virus proof. Okay, the Way To Mall, you can check out their website. They sell masks that are virus proof cotton masks, and that I think is kind of trendy. They have a little bit of unique style to it. It's not so like, you know, the typical medical look. They also come with the carbon filters, and they are like $30, but keep in mind about the DIYs and AliExpress, really cheap. You also have your outdoor fitters, which do have different looks that are actually more, to me, fashionable to wear. Basically, all these masks are really, really cool. I've been seeing a lot of cute, really amazing masks that people could wear. I know today I'm gonna be rocking this mask when I go to the grocery store, and even when I pick up something from my friend I have to pick up today. I'm gonna wear this on my face and I'm gonna wash it, and I'm also gonna have something similar for my son to wear as well. So that's what I do during that time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and watch my latest videos. I'm always keeping you guys up to date so that you get the new before everyone else. I always promise you that your girl madamedelaj always have it for you, your virtual stylist, so you don't have to go anywhere else to get it. So like, if you like any of these masks, or if you have any more questions about the mask, please leave a comment. Every week I'm gonna be posting videos, and next week I'm gonna have some more trends for you. Basically, Lawrence also did a video of how he really discovered different masks that you can wear. It's also in the description. You can find Lawrence's YouTube video, and he talked about different suppliers from websites through Abbotaz, Fastino, and Airgas. Websites can actually go and get these masks. And of course, the talk is about the famous N95 masks that everybody is trying their hardest to get, where you will see a lot of doctors and nurses and people like that wearing these N95 masks. I don't think they're the most trendiest looking masks. However, there are different ways to get those masks. Amazon has a really cheap one for like no more than $14, and they are really something that you can use to protect yourself, rather if it's trendy or not. And you can also check out Dr. Nora's video that I also have in the description. She goes into full details about how to wear these masks, how to put the mask on, how to take the mask off, how to keep yourself safe. She's really great, and By the way, she's absolutely beautiful. So I do think you should check her video and just like really see if you want more details and actually how to wear the mask, how to take them off, how to keep them clean. There's also another YouTuber that actually DIY her mask that I actually want to DIY my mask, and I might actually do a DIY mask video. We'll see. Some people are like sewing things together to make it more trendy, more cute, like little cartoon characters. There's just so many different things that people are doing. They're literally like taking cloths and like wearing them. And I have in the description the link that you can go to get different DIY ideas by just using some of your arts and crafts at the house. So I think you'll really like it. Check her video out. I thought it was super slam. I was like, whoa, like this is really dope. How did she even do this? She created a whole mask. I live in Miami, so I know a lot of times when I wear these masks, I get a little hot. So it's up to your discretion whether if you wear it or not, but it's a great way to protect yourself. Okay, so that's basically everything with you guys for today. Keep up to date with my next videos and check out my video of my fashion haul of what I did while I was quarantined. I basically took some outfits out of my closet similar to what you see here today, and I just created a lookbook fashion haul. So check out my video that I did, and I think you'll really enjoy it while you're being quarantined. And I really want to be friends. Follow me on all my social media, Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, all my social media, so we can be great friends and really enjoy this time of quarantine together. And I would love for you guys to visit my virtual church. We have services throughout the week, and check out our website so you can stay up to date if you want to join church, and if you don't have a church that you're going to, because I know being quarantined is really hard, and maybe you might need someone to pray with or different scriptures to give you different ideas. So just check out in the description how to get in contact with my virtual church. I am a part of the International Christian Church, global, worldwide. So no matter where you live, we will find a great church and fellowship for you to go to, even while you're being quarantined in this now remote and virtual world that we live in. That is everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me as we go through these masks together. And I just hope that you really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.